you looking for where to download your free stock footages for editing videos for your website or even for artwork? I've come to help you. These are top 5 websites you can use to download free stock images free of charge. Let's get started. Okay, so the first website is Pexels. This is a website that allows you access to download free images. And so we are searching for a lady with a bag, and this gives you a collection of images with a lady and a bag. And so if you want to download any, you click on that very image, you click the downward arrow and you choose or select the size or resolution you want to download from, and that's it for Pexels. So website number 2 is Unsplash. This website also gives you access to free stock images and allows you to download it without a charge. Similar to Pexels, it also allows you to choose the resolutions you want for the image. So the next is Pixabay, and with this it makes you create an account to be able to access the original size or resolution, but for the lesser sizes it makes you confirm you are not a bot. That's the only catch, and apart from that, it's a free website. Website number 4 is DeviantArt, and this is one of my favorites when it comes to photo manipulation or any artwork related stuff. So this has a library of photos and even already done artworks that you can access. Some are premium, that means you must pay, but most or a number of them are also free to download from it, and you need an account also to be able to access the images. With that said, Stocksnap.io is also a website that gives free access to images to download, and with the download is pretty easy as shown for Pexels and the other ones. I hope I've helped you. Drop a like and subscribe. I'm Edney, and I'll see you later. Peace.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride.